Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic: 10 psychological tricks to capture her heart and make a lasting impression. Now, before we begin, it's important to remember that building a genuine connection is key. These tricks should be used with respect and honesty. So, let's dive right in. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any valuable content. Number 1. The power of active listening. Active listening is a powerful tool that goes beyond just hearing words. It involves giving your undivided attention and being fully present in the moment. When you actively listen to her, you demonstrate that her thoughts and feelings matter to you. It's not about waiting for your turn to speak. It's about genuinely absorbing what she's saying. By maintaining eye contact, nodding to show understanding, and asking thoughtful questions, you create a safe space for her to express herself. This level of engagement not only makes her feel valued but also fosters a deeper connection based on mutual understanding and respect. Number 2. The art of compliments. When it comes to compliments, sincerity is the key. Genuine compliments have the power to brighten someone's day and boost their self-esteem. To make a lasting impact, be specific in your praise. Instead of generic compliments like "you look nice," focus on highlighting her unique qualities, talents, or achievements. For example, you could say, "I'm impressed by your creativity in that painting you shared. Your attention to detail is remarkable." This shows that you've been paying attention to her and appreciate the things that make her unique. By being sincere and specific with your compliments, you not only make her feel appreciated, but you also demonstrate that you see her for who she truly is. Number 3. The fascination technique. The fascination technique is a powerful way to connect with someone on a deeper level. People naturally enjoy talking about themselves, their interests, and their dreams. By showing genuine curiosity and asking open-ended questions about her hobbies, passions, or goals, you create an instant connection. This technique allows her to feel valued and understood as you express a sincere interest in getting to know her on a more profound level. As she opens up and shares her thoughts, dreams, and experiences, listen attentively and engage in meaningful conversation. This creates a safe and comfortable space for her to express herself authentically, fostering a strong bond built on mutual understanding and shared experiences. Number 4. The power of body language. Body language plays a crucial role in communication and can greatly influence how others perceive us. When it comes to attracting someone, paying attention to your own body language is essential. Maintain good posture as it projects confidence and shows that you take pride in yourself. A genuine smile can instantly create a positive and inviting atmosphere, making you more approachable. Additionally, using open gestures, such as uncrossing your arms, signals that you are open to conversation and receptive to her presence. Another powerful technique is subtle mirroring, where you subtly mimic her body language. This creates a sense of familiarity and rapport, as it unconsciously conveys that you are attuned to her and on the same wavelength. Remember, nonverbal cues speak volumes, so use them to your advantage to make a strong and positive impression. Number 5. The impact of humor. Humor is a universal language that can create an instant connection between two individuals. Sharing light-hearted jokes or funny anecdotes can lighten the atmosphere and bring joy to your interactions. Laughter has a remarkable impact on building rapport and forging a positive bond. When you make her smile and laugh, it not only breaks the ice but also shows your fun and playful side. A sense of humor makes you more approachable and likable, as it conveys that you can bring happiness and positivity into her life. However, it's important to be mindful of your jokes and ensure they are respectful and inclusive. A well-placed humorous remark can pave the way for memorable moments and a strong emotional connection. Number 6. The confidence factor. Confidence is undeniably attractive, but it's crucial to understand that true confidence comes from being authentic and embracing your unique qualities. When you are genuine and comfortable in your own skin, it radiates an irresistible charm. Confidence is not about boasting or putting others down, it's about having faith in yourself and your abilities. Show confidence in your actions, decisions, and beliefs, but also remain open to learning and growth. This self-assuredness will naturally draw her towards you because it signals that you know who you are and what you stand for. Remember, true confidence is magnetic, and when you embrace your individuality, you become a beacon of attraction. Number 7. The power of surprise. Surprises have a magical way of sparking joy and creating memorable experiences. The power of surprise lies in its ability to evoke emotions and make someone feel special. Thoughtful gestures and small acts of kindness can go a long way toward capturing her heart. It could be as simple as leaving a heartfelt note expressing your appreciation or planning a surprise date tailored to her interests. These unexpected moments create a sense of excitement, anticipation, and genuine delight. They show that you are attentive to her needs and desires, and they leave a lasting impression by creating cherished memories. Surprises add an element of spontaneity and romance to the relationship, fostering a deeper connection and showing her that she is truly valued. Number 8. The art of support. Support is a vital ingredient in any successful relationship. By showing genuine support for her dreams and ambitions, you demonstrate that you are invested in her happiness and growth. Encourage her to pursue her passions, offer words of motivation, and be there to cheer her on every step of the way. When she sees that you genuinely believe in her abilities and aspirations, it fosters a deep sense of appreciation and respect. Your support becomes a powerful driving force, inspiring her to reach for the stars and accomplish great things. Being a positive influence in her life means being her biggest cheerleader, and in return, she'll see you as a pillar of strength and someone she can rely on in both good and bad times. Number 9. The mindful presence. In today's fast-paced world, the gift of mindful presence is becoming increasingly rare and valuable. When you're with her, be fully present in the moment. Put away distractions such as your phone and give her your undivided attention. By doing so, you send a powerful message that she is a priority in your life. Being present means actively listening to her, observing her nonverbal cues, and engaging in meaningful conversation. It shows that you value her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. This mindful presence builds a deeper connection by creating a safe and attentive space where she feels heard and understood. When you give her the gift of your undivided attention, it speaks volumes about the importance she holds in your heart. Number 10. The patience game. The journey to building a lasting connection is much like a game of patience. It's important to remember that Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a deep and meaningful relationship. True connections take time to develop and flourish. Instead of rushing the process, embrace patience and allow the bond to grow naturally. Take things at a comfortable pace, respecting each other's boundaries and allowing the relationship to unfold organically. Building a genuine connection requires investing time and effort, cultivating shared experiences, and nurturing trust. By embracing the patience game, you demonstrate your commitment to building something meaningful, and in return, you create a solid foundation for a lasting and fulfilling relationship. It's important to note that genuine connections are built on mutual respect, shared values, and trust. The tricks mentioned in this script are meant to enhance interpersonal communication but should never be used to manipulate or deceive others. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself and treat her with respect. Love and attraction can't be forced, but by incorporating these tricks, you'll be on your way to building a meaningful connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.